Once again, Pipeline Tours, Happy New Year's. A fresh start to the new year. You know, start the new year off with some fishing. You get me? A little secret spot, you know, that I know about. So, yeah man, calm, cool, collected. Alright, hopefully I can catch the monster fish, you get me? Straight. Alright. Well, here's an next little, what is parrot? Once again. Yeah man. Not bad. Strangest thing happened. Watch out. Whoa. 2 pound one. Yeah man, fat piece of snapper. You see me? Yeah man. And me I catch that too. That look like a dildo, but I don't even know what that a bum buckler. You get me? It's about 10. Yeah man. Yo, I'm gonna steam it down. Yep. Watch out. Octopus the blood clot. I want to catch this. What the fuck is this? Wow. They keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's a great day.